Good evening, YouTube. This is Baseman SL. I'm doing a walk around about what I got in my truck.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
Alright, from the front I got 4 Memphis tweeters in both of the front of the doors. And I'm running 4 6x9 Memphis in the doors. And then I'm running in the back doors I got 6.5 Memphis with P3 tweeters. And then the back setup I got 6K limitless lithium. And I'm running 2 amps. I'm running a SCAR. It's a RP 105-404. It's 1,000 watts on my highs. And I'm running a RP 4500 on my 412s. And my 412s I got back there, they are EVL 12s. They ported and tuned at 32 hertz. And I'm gonna give you a better look at the box. Yeah, I just built this box this year, and it sounds good. Love Lowe's. 4 EVL 12 tuned at 32 hertz. And for my electrical, I got the big 3 kit. And it's the big 3 kit up under there with the fuse in there. 2 hots, 2 grounds, and you got a hot going to the alternator. And I'm running a Sound Quest battery, 2,000 watt. That's my head weight battery. And that's all for my walk around. The update, I will be sending the update out because I ran the stock alternator. My 370 alternator hadn't got here from JS. They still building it. I'll be putting it in probably next week when they get here. Thank you. This Baseman SL gonna give a short demo on my my system. Let y'all hear a little bit and see the flex on it.
It's DJ Rustical. I said knock knock, let the devil in. Shotgun, pit bullets in the felt pin. Cut, look around and catch a hot one. It gets evident I'm not done. Thick venom is the thoughts. One like your weapon, you just card numb. Hell begins still feel like a hubcap. Blood flat beat strangler attack. So this ain't gonna feel like a love tap. Painkiller pills from a blood track. Like what's her name to the wheel? Got a cup patch. Do the car in the reverse with the Indian nut crash in India. The back you just mangled. Steal my Mustang. Keep brain on the grill with the front smash. Much as my reinfinite assassin. Slim be a combination of an action. Kamikaze and Gandhi. Translation I will. Killer smoke when I end up back in India. You ain't gonna be able to tell what the fuck's happening in India. Let the devil in. Phone home, ain't no telling when this chokehold on this game will end. I'm long gone. Became a symbiote, so perfection in your you're sleeping with my the bad boy down. Gunshot, one shot, one shot, time from another run. Time from a gun slide, of a car fire, pump rock, destroy down like young rock. Cause the dot put me on like sundown. But a puff nut, you only get one shot. Ages till I can't taste it. Chased to restrain, liquor thin, drink till I faint and awake. Headache, gonna take anything in rectangular shape that I wait. To face the demons I'm on the two. They're chasing me, but I'm party used to escaping me is impossible. I latch on to you. Parasite, I'll probably ruin your parents' life and your childhood too. As if I'm the music that y'all grew up responsible. Because the fools I'm the super feeling dead. Marbles losing their marbles too. It's you, and I'm the suit, so call me. I got that adrenaline.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.